Lows from the mid-40s to lower 50s. West winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. And on Sunday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming sunny. Highs in the mid-70s by the bay, upper 70s to mid-80s inland. Light winds, becoming northwest 5 to 10 miles per hour in the afternoon. For Sunday night, clear. Lows in the 50s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour until midnight, becoming light. For Monday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming sunny. Highs from the mid-70s to upper 80s. Monday night through Wednesday, mostly clear. Lows in the 50s. High 70s and 80s. Wednesday night, clear. Lows in the mid-50s. Thursday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming sunny. Highs from the lower 70s to mid-80s. Thursday night, clear. Lows from the lower to mid-50s. Friday partly cloudy in the morning, then becoming mostly sunny. Highs from the 70s to lower 80s. Low temperatures tonight and highs tomorrow for these selected cities: San Jose, 53 and 73, Mountain View, 53 and 69, Morgan Hill, 50 and 77. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio, station KHP 49, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.40 MHz. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office located in Monterey, California, and serves the North Bay, East Bay, and the Peninsula, including the cities of San Francisco and Oakland. The weather overview for the Bay Area and Central Coast: temperatures return closer to normal by Sunday, and remain near or slightly above normal for much of the upcoming work week. Cooler than normal temperatures may return by end of next week. The extended forecast for the Bay Area and Central Coast: Sunday and Sunday night, mostly clear. High 60 to 85. Lows 45 to 65. Monday and Monday night, mostly clear. High 60 to 90. Lows 50 to 60. Tuesday and Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Highs 55 to 85. Lows 50 to 65. Wednesday and Wednesday night, mostly clear. Highs 60 to 90. Lows 50 to 60. Thursday, sunny. Highs 60 to 85. Sunrise, sunset, and tidal information for the San Francisco Bay Area for Friday, May 29th. The sunset tonight, 8:23 p.m. The sunrise tomorrow, 5:50 a.m. The sunset tomorrow, 8:24 p.m. Tidal data at the Golden Gate for the afternoon and evening hours today and the morning hours of tomorrow. High tide, 12:23 p.m. at 4.26 feet. Low tide, 4:38 p.m. at 2.79 feet. High tide, 10:47 p.m. at 5.96 feet. Low tide, 5:49 a.m. at -0.66 feet. Here are the buoy observations for 8 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At offshore buoy 6, winds west at 8 knots, pressure 1027.6 millibars. At offshore buoy 59, winds north 60 knots, water temperature 60, pressure 1025.5 millibars, seas 7 feet, every 13 seconds. At Point Arena buoy, winds northwest 6 knots, water temperature 53, pressure 1019.0 millibars, seas 8 feet, every 14 seconds. At buoy 13 near Bodega Bay, winds northwest at 70 knots, gusting to 21, pressure 1018.6 millibars, swell 8 feet, every 14 seconds. At Point Reyes Wave Rider buoy, water temperature 55, seas 9 feet, every 14 seconds. At San Francisco Bar buoy, water temperature 55, seas 6 feet, every 14 seconds. At San Francisco buoy, winds northwest at 12 knots, pressure 1019.0 millibars. At Half Moon Bay buoy, winds northwest 10 knots, water temperature 55, pressure 1019.7 millibars, seas 6 feet, every 14 seconds. At Monterey Bay, buoy winds northwest 16 knots, water temperature 57, pressure 1018.6 millibars, seas 6 feet every 15 San Martin buoy winds northwest 16 knots, 6 feet, pressure 1018.7 millibars, seas 7 feet every 15 seconds. California coast and bays, including the Monterey Bay, Greater Farallones, and Cordell Bank National Marine Sanctuary. Moderate to fresh northerly breezes tonight. The strongest winds will be over